Tardigrades, known colloquially as water bears or moss piglets, are a phylum of 8-legged segmented microanimals. They were first described by the German zoologist Johann August Ephraim Goes in 1773, who called them Kleiner Wasserbar, which means little water bear. In 1777, the Italian biologist Lazzaro Spallanzani named them Tardigrade, which means slow steppers. They have been found everywhere in Earth's biosphere, from mountain tops to the deep sea and mud volcanoes, and from tropical rainforests to the Antarctic. Tardigrades are among the most resilient animals known, with individual species able to survive extreme conditions, such as exposure to extreme temperatures, extreme pressures, both high and low, air deprivation, radiation, dehydration, and starvation, that would quickly kill most other known forms of life. Tardigrades have survived exposure to outer space. There are about 1,300 known species in the phylum Tardigrade, a part of the superphylum Ecdysozoa consisting of animals that grow by ecdysis such as arthropods and nematodes. The earliest known true members of the group are known from Cretaceous, 145 to 66 million years ago, amber, found in North America, but are essentially modern forms, and therefore likely have a significantly earlier origin, as they diverged from their closest relatives in the Cambrian, over 500 million years ago. Tardigrades are usually about 0.5 millimeters, 0.020 inches, long when fully grown. 1. They are short and plump, with 4 pairs of legs, each ending in claws, usually 4 to 8, or suction discs. Tardigrades are prevalent in mosses and lichens and feed on plant cells, algae, and small invertebrates. When collected, they may be viewed under a low-power microscope, making them accessible to students and amateur scientists. Scientists have reported tardigrades in hot springs, on top of the Himalaya, 6,000 m. 20,000 feet, above sea level, to the deep sea, 4,000 m. 13,000 feet, and from the polar regions to the equator, under layers of solid ice, and in ocean sediments. Many species can be found in milder environments such as lakes, ponds, and meadows, while others can be found in stone walls and roofs. Tardigrades are most common in moist environments, but can stay active wherever they can retain at least some moisture. Tardigrades are thought to be able to survive even complete global mass extinction events due to astrophysical events, such as gamma-ray bursts, or large meteorite impacts. Some of them can withstand extremely cold temperatures down to 1 Kelvin, 458 F. 272 C, close to absolute zero, while others can withstand extremely hot temperatures up to 420 kelvins, 300 F. 150 C, 37, for several minutes, pressures about 6 times greater than those found in the deepest ocean trenches, ionizing radiation at doses hundreds of times higher than the lethal dose for a human, and the vacuum of outer space. Tardigrades that live in harsh conditions undergo an annual process of cyclomorphosis, allowing for survival in sub-zero temperatures. They are not considered extremophilic because they are not adapted to exploit these conditions, only to endure them. This means that their chances of dying increase the longer they are exposed to the extreme environments, whereas true extremophiles thrive in a physically or geochemically extreme environment that would harm most others.